Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a pasta with sautéed zucchini, and it's just perfection. The zucchini just melts into the sauce and it's perfect. It's zucchini season. They're all over the place now in the stores and they're really affordable, so I like to use them in whatever I can. This recipe is one of those things that I will just sneak it into. My son does not eat anything if he sees veggies, so this is like perfect because the zucchini cooks down and it almost like really can't tell that it's in there. And my son eats it and he's a picky eater. So without further ado, let's make this delicious pasta.